Welcome to the Upper West Side. We're in a building that I've shown many times before, and to be honest, we have something that is extremely special for you. Everyone wants water views, and when you show like a sliver, that's enough. This, you have an entire living room, and let me show you the size. I don't think it's even gonna come out on video, but this place is gigantic to host all the parties that you want. What's really nice too is that you're up, away, nothing's ever gonna get built, everything is completely protected, beautiful views, and what's nice too is that a lot of them are actually just facing west and you're on an angle, but this, you have southern views all the way down to the park. This in bloom is just gonna be incredible, to be honest. It's on shades that are electronic, comes down, protects the floor, which is nice. Beautiful decorative fireplace over here, TVs included. AC unit in every single room, and the windows were also replaced. Those are brand new. This step as well is a nice little entryway with two closets over here. We'll check out the nice bedrooms, which are winged and windowed and corner. So you have literally the entire west, north, and east views over here, including the kitchen, which we'll get to. So this is a second bedroom. In most buildings and in most condos and in most co-ops, this is gonna be a primary residence. Nice closet over here. Again, you have east and north views, brand new windows, again, gigantic, easily king-size bed. It was used as a home office. Pantry area up here, plenty of storage, everything is gigantic. What's nice here, I'll let you go in there and check out the bathroom, is that every bathroom is windowed and large enough to expand to what it is right now, a tub. This is the primary. Just listen to how quiet it is. What's nice about this is not only is it quiet, you have the exact same views, you're perched up. Again, the same brand new windows as well. You could just open this. I don't have the lock, so we won't do that. But AC units, each room, primary in here, if you have a look. And throughout the home, what you'll notice is the flooring is this beautiful matte flooring throughout the entire home. The owner took very pristine condition of them. He was very cautious about not having them discolored because of the sun. It's so sunny. And we will move on to where you're gonna be entertaining. Again, you have the living area, the area where you're gonna enter, the dining, and then the bedrooms. Everything is completely separate. Here's the dining area. Again, you can have probably a 15-person Last Supper table here, closets on both ends, unbelievable style flooring again. Again, north, big windows throughout the entire apartment. This kitchen is gigantic as well. Easy to cook, entertain, keep the guests at bay, keep them away. You can do whatever you want in this place. Plenty of cabinetry, plenty of storage, and this is the special thing. Come have it in an entire area for your laundry. Beautiful stacked LG washer dryer, incredible mudroom need be. This goes out to the service elevator. So I'll end it right here. If you're looking for a gigantic 2,000 square foot, 2-bed, 3-bathroom overlooking the entire Hudson River in the Upper West Side, call me, Charles Botenston. I'll get you in to check this out.